my channel Turn to Technology. My name is Asif Khan, and as we know we are doing PLC training, and in this video we will going to discuss about the two important instruction of Mitsubishi PLC FX1S. So we are having compare instruction and zone compare instruction. So let's start our today's video on the basis of compare instruction and zone compare instruction. So let's start compare instruction. So basically compare instruction, it is used to compare the value of counter, timer or positive integer and give the output according to comparison. In this compare instruction, only 3 memory bits are connected with this. Three memory bits are connected with this. That is M0, M1, M2. And the instruction, if we talk about instruction for Mitsubishi PLC, so that is the instruction is just like this. CMP, compare, value should be any. If we compare the value of counter C1, if we compare the value of register, if we compare the value of timer, now that is the value that it should be. I am taking 10. You can take according to yourself, and this is the M0 bit. So this is the instruction, and after this instruction we will use M2, M1, M0. This will be for output Y0, Y1, Y2. So with this condition we will make the program like this, and if the value of C1 is less than 10, if the value of C1 is less than 10, so that means M2 will be operate. If the value is equal to 10, M1 will operate. If the value is greater than 10, M0 will be operate. I hope it's clear. So this program we will make after the next instruction on the PLC and software. So let's move on to the next one. So I can write here, it's M2 active if C1 less than K10, M1 active if C1 equal to K10, or M0 active if C1 greater than K10. I hope it's clear to everyone. So please write it fast, and I'm going to explain zone compare. So next is zone compare. So what is zone compare? Here we are having a zone, and according to this zone counters value will vary, and counters value will vary according to these 3 bits already connected with zone compare M0, M1, M2. Okay, so there is a zone for C1. So let's understand this program. M8000, in every PLC there is a specific special bits. So M8000 in Mitsubishi PLC always on bit, always on, this bit is always NC. So there is a zone. So if the value is C1 less than K10, M0 will be activated and output will be operated. If the value of C1 lie between this K10 to K50, so M1 will be operated, Y1 will be on. If the value of C1 exceed K50, so M2 will be on, Y2 will be operated. I hope it's clear, this program. So let's make this program on software and check on the PLC hardware. So let's start.
So first, this is our program for compare instruction. You can see I have used X1 rising pulse and increasing block of counter, and this is our M8000. M8000 means which enable all the time. Okay. So this is our compare instruction, CMP C1 counter value up to 10 and M0 wait. So as I told you, if the counter value is less than 10, so M2 will operate. If the counter value is equal to 10, M1 operate, and beyond after K10, M1, M0 will be operate. So let's make it. Now program is going to PLC. Now so this project is basically going to PLC, and we will check after the execution. So basically compare block is used to compare the value and give the three memory bit output accordingly. So let's check. Now I'm going to make this run mode. So I'm going to press X1. So X1, its value 1, you can see. So the value of C1 is less than 10, that means M2 is on continuously. So if I press X1, counter value increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, now C1 is 10, so M1 is operated. Now after M1, now the value of counter you can see, after 10 value M0 will be operated. I hope it's clear. So let's make another project, that is zone compare. So this is our zone compare program. Again I am using X1 for register D1 increasing block. So let's transfer this program to PLC, execute. Now the program is going to execute. As I told you about the zone compare, there is 3 bit consecutively connected M0, M1 and M2 with this zone compare, and I have made the zone between 2 values of this, that is K10 to K50. Let's check this program. Now you can easily check if the zone compare value is less than 10. So M1 is operated. Now I am pressing X1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So between 10 to 50, M1 will be operated, and after 1050 you can see I am increasing the value of register. So after 50, the M2 will be operated. So I hope it's clear to everyone. So if you understand the concept, please like, comment and share my video, and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.